Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to install Git on Windows 11. Go ahead and open your browser, and in your web browser search for Git. Among the options you're going to see the first one, which is Git, scm.com. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to scroll down to where you have downloads, click on it. In our case we're going to be going for Windows. We're using a 64-bit for Windows, but you might be using 32-bit. It's important to know which is yours, but in my case we will be going with 64-bit. Click on it, and we're just going to wait for it to download to the end. And now we have it downloaded, we're going to click on Open File. And this is the setup beginning. You're going to click on Next, and there are several stages for this installation, so we're just going to be following along. Click on Next here, click on Next again, click on Next, click on Next again. I'm going to leave this option on, click on Next. And do make sure that this is selected. By default, it will be selected because this is recommended. And we're going to click on Next again. This is also good, so click on Next. Use the OpenSSL library is good, so click on Next. Click on Next again. We'll click on Next one more time. You have Git Credential Manager, and we're going to click on Next. Enable File Systems Caching. And you can see the Install button, and we're going to click on Install. And with this finalized, you can click on Launch Git Bash. Click on Finish, and now our Git has been installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.